Hi. To solve for x in this question, we will have to make use of the knowledge of isosceles triangle because the diagram here is made up of two isosceles triangles. First, we know that an isosceles triangle has the nature wherein two sides are equal and, of course, the base angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. So if we look here, we see this is an isosceles triangle. These strokes here they indicate. And if we look here, this is also an isosceles triangle. We have double stroke here, double stroke. Double stroke just to distinguish from this single stroke. This is an isosceles triangle, this is an isosceles triangle. And then next, we also know that sum of the angles of any triangle gives us 180 degrees. Okay? Also, we also know that angles on a straight line sum up to give 180 degrees. So these three knowledge, okay, these three aspects about triangles will be necessary to solve for the value of x. All right, let's get started. All right, starting with this first isosceles triangle, that is the top or the top angle. These are the base angles. So we expect this angle to be the same as this angle. So if we call this W, for example, this one should also be W. So we expect 40 plus W to be 180. All right, this means 40 plus 2W is 180. So 2W, 180 minus 40 is 140. So W will just be 140 divided by 2, which is 70 degrees. So this angle is 70, this angle is 70. All right, we need this value in order to be able to calculate this angle. If you look at this angle and this angle, they lie on that straight line. All right, so we take that W plus this angle, we want to call it, for example, T. All right, must give us 180 angles on a straight line. All right, we know W is 70. All right, so from here, we know that the value of T will be 180 minus 70, which is 110 degrees. All right, this angle is 110 degrees. Remember, this is an isosceles triangle. That's the top angle. This base angle must be equal to this base angle. If we call each of them A, then we are saying A plus 110 must be 180 degrees. A plus 110 must also give us 180 degrees. So 2A will be equal to 180 minus 110, which is 70 degrees. So from here, if we divide both sides by 2, we'll have one of those base angles to be 35 degrees. Okay, now look at it. This angle A here and the angle X that we're interested in lie on this straight line. Angles on